Is he a good mouser? You're very pretty. He's very curious.
Yeah, about 2 pounds of raw meat a day.
Ring 3.
Ring 1 needs paper towel.
He's 4 years old. You have to have a long, straight, long, whipped tail. I love the soft cream. Short body, short little tail.
He's such a good girl.
He's being such a good boy, but we are going to be careful about that. So we're going to hold your tail. Here, look that way.
Second call, Bombay 211. You are needed in ring 6. 211 to ring 6.
I'll go look for them in a minute if they don't turn up. I'm not sure where they're benched.
That is not how you climb up a pole.
Gravity doesn't.
I'll go see if I can find.
Hey, just leave her alone.
Numbers are now posted in ring 5. 454, 455. Ring 5 is also looking for the preliminary new 3.
Himalayan 103. Himalayan 103. Second call. Ring 1.
I don't know who the daddy is.
Ring 6 is ready for short hair alters. All the right nose are up. All the right nose. Ring 4 is now ready for short hair household pet adults. 457 through 464.
Blue Point Mitted, 11-month-old boy.
Oh, that one!
57, you are needed in ring 6.
Ring 5 is posting. They're all breed kitten finals. Thank you.
All breed altar final posted. Ring 1.